Hello naman so much. Napakarte. Anyway, this vlog is our day to in Sorsogon and we went to Subic Matnog and isa to sa mga pinagmamalaki ng lalawigan. Matnog is 30 minutes away from Bulan and from what we've heard, we need to rent a boat for 3,000 if you're on a day trip and 3,500 for overnight and that's for 10 packs already. And syempre manghihinayang kami sa 3,000 tapos kaming dalawa lang. But luckily, when we arrived, meron ng 7 packs na nag-aantay. A family of 5 and a couple. So, sinatol na lang namin yung 150 each na environmental fee at yung ambag namin sa 3,000. Meron dalawang island hopping na kasama yung boat rental, ang Wag Lagoon at Kalintaan Cave. First stop ay yung Wag Lagoon. This is where you can snorkel for 200 pesos or kung bet nyo magpakain lang ng isda, pwede nyong bilhin yon sa mismong store dun sa lagoon. Second stop, Kalintaan Cave. Sobrang ganda ng lugar. We had to snorkel para makapasok sa cave at worth it yung kaba pagdating namin sa loob. Wala kaming dalang phone pagpasok pero mabait yung couple na kasama namin. So nag-offer silang kuhanan kami tapos airdrop na lang daw. Kaya kahit papaano meron kaming video at picture. Finally, ang next destination namin ay Subic na tinatawag din nilang Pink Sand Beach dahil sa malarosas raw na kulay ng buhangin. Upon arrival, naghanap agad kami ng kubo since later lang naman kami at sabi ng couple, magkukubo rin daw sila at para makatipid, nakapag-share na lang kami for 700 pesos isang kubo na. Nagbaon kami ng pagkain dahil akala namin mahihirapan kami pero nung nasa beach na, may nakita kaming tindahan, pwede raw magpaluto, meron ding tattoo and souvenir shop. At mabait din yung nakasabay naming pamilya dahil inaalok nila kami ng pagkain. Siyempre, sino ba naman kami para tumanggi? Charis. Anyway, pagkatapos kumain, ginawa na namin yung pakay namin sa beach. Yun na yung picture taking at swimming. Sinulit na namin yung ilang oras na natitira since later lang naman kami. At 4 p.m. umalis na rin kami and we will definitely come back next year and we'll make sure it's an overnight stay na. Follow us for more adventure and travels. See you in the next one.